Hello everyone. In this video we are going to install Laravel Sail on macOS. The first thing we need to do is to install the Docker desktop. You can easily get the Docker desktop from the Docker website. I'll add the link in the video description below. They have both options available, one for Intel based chip, another one for Apple based chip. I'm running with Intel chip, so I'm going to download this version for now. Once you've downloaded the Docker desktop, you can install it like any other application you install on Mac. It takes a couple of minutes to extract, and then you can move the application from the container to your application folder on Mac. The next step is to open the Docker so it can run as a background service. When you first open the Docker application, the system is going to ask for permission. You can give it a privileged access, and then you can accept the terms and conditions. We can now head back to Laravel documentation and copy the command to create a new Laravel project on our local system. So copy this command. Now, when you copy this command and you run it, Laravel is going to install a lot of different tools, including MySQL, PGSQL, MariaDB, Redis. We don't need all of these, so we can just simply pass the specific services that we require. And so in our case, we are only going to run with MySQL. Now, as we have our Laravel installed, we need to run the sail up command. You can find the sail executable inside vendor bin folder. If you see the similar issue where the system says the port is already allocated, that means there is another service installed and running on your system that is currently utilizing the port 80. In this case, we need to change the port 80 to some other port, and that should be fairly easy. Open up your environment file, and in the environment file we need to add one extra parameter, that is for app port. Next, we need to run the sail build no cache command. That way we can tell the sail to use our new port. Finally, we need to run the sail up command, and our application should be up and running. Navigate to your browser, type in localhost and type in your new port, which is 89, and you should see your Laravel homepage. If you have made it to the end, you should have installed the latest version of Laravel using Sail. If you have found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more videos related to Laravel, and do not forget to click the bell icon. See you in the next video.